rindi tukaitira unda nguge until daiji we want our pay to let to carry half of the pay but to rerwa aiya then importers have not released our pay so kwenda kubera daiji kedha iba gutona arabari baje baturi mbesha tukareta na mpara for 3 days tutarumagento tena antuba barabara tukamataga bade tundaimbesha bari auome so ibatuera kedha gutimbesha tumenya tucianire tuna clerks betu turachwete badi batoterete na ratubare ambesha ciao so tukathithia
akumbira mbeca cia training na mwaka kuja
utikia tuonete
nyakure irio
why is the person who is in charge not coming out atwere uma pamantu sasa mbesha chetu tukachiona re nonto natu we are not ready to surrender results tutenenkeri mbesha chetu I am assuring you we conducted a free and fair election piozi kugotekira to conduct a free and fair pero me taking out sweet kuma ne keke aspirant nyo mo unda kana ko ara madiri so kinyare rati kwera ndo bata titu tura madiri kutenya roje tuone tebe kona miromo gore o midaizi na ndei batu baje batu rembesha chetu tena